Flourish Cash Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Flourish Cash is a cash management solution designed primarily for high net worth individuals and financial advisors seeking higher yields on their cash reserves. Unlike traditional robo-advisors focused on stock and ETF investments, Flourish Cash acts as a high-yield cash account, offering competitive interest rates while maintaining FDIC insurance coverage through partner banks. The platform is owned by MassMutual, adding credibility and security. It integrates seamlessly with advisory firms, allowing financial professionals to manage client cash holdings efficiently. The key advantage is its ability to provide significantly higher yields than standard bank accounts while maintaining liquidity. There are no account fees, and cash can be moved in and out easily. However, it's not a direct competitor to investing platforms like Wealthfront or Betterment, since it focuses on cash management rather than portfolio growth. This platform is best suited for individuals who want to earn interest on idle cash without taking market risks. If you're an investor looking for automated stock or bond investments, this isn't the right choice. Instead, it's ideal for those who want a safe place to store large sums of cash while earning competitive interest. Advisors benefit from its integration with wealth management software, making it a practical tool for high net worth clients who need a secure, accessible cash solution. The main drawbacks include the fact that it's only available through financial advisors. Individual investors can't open an account directly. Additionally, while it offers high yields, rates fluctuate based on market conditions, and there may be better returns available in other high-yield savings accounts or money market funds. Another limitation is that it doesn't provide typical investment options like stocks or ETFs. So if you're looking to build a diversified portfolio, you'll need to use another platform alongside it. In conclusion, Flourish Cash is a solid option for financial advisors and high net worth individuals who want a secure, high-yield cash management solution. It's not a robo-advisor for investing in stocks or bonds, but rather a smart way to earn interest on large cash balances. If you're working with an advisor and need a competitive alternative to traditional savings accounts, it's worth considering. However, if you're an independent investor looking for a hands-on or automated investing platform, you'll need to look elsewhere.